Hello, and welcome to another mindful moment with Yoga for Classrooms. I am Sarah, and I will be leading your mindful moment today. And today we are going to do one of our signature at your desk activities. So this one is great because you do not even have to leave your desk, but I think that you're going to find that it is a good energizing, it's a good body stretch, mostly our upper body for this one. And this one is great because it also encourages us to really think deeply about people we care about and send love and kindness and community out into the classroom and into our school and into everywhere we go. So I think this one you will enjoy. It is called Open Heart, and you can see here we'll be in our chair. So go ahead and make sure you're in a seat. Remember, in our seated mountain, where we usually start our seated postures, we're kind of sitting towards the front of our chair. So we're not leaning way back, but we're not falling off the front either. We want to be secure. So we're sitting sort of towards the front of our chair with our feet on the floor in front of us. And we'll just kind of settle into this seated mountain as we get started. Good. So hopefully you feel comfortable. Now, from your seated mountain, you're going to take your hands and you're going to hold the sides of the back of your seat. Okay. So whatever the back of your seat looks like, hopefully it has some sort of back that you can hold on to. And we're going to inhale and roll our shoulders back. So go ahead and take an inhale, rolling your shoulders back. You should already feel some stretch there. I know it feels really good for me. And we're going to just lean our head back a little bit further so we're feeling even more of that chest and heart opening. Good. Breathe in, out. You might feel that it gets even deeper and deeper as you take those breaths. Really deepen your stretch. Your eyes go towards the sky. I like to do about 3 or 4 breaths here. And as I inhale, I breathe in all that love and kindness that surrounds me. And then as I exhale, I imagine sending love and peace out to those around me, from my heart out to others, to you who's joining me in this pose today, and everyone else, sending that love and peace. Good. Slowly bring your hands back. Maybe place them on your lap, or maybe you want to wiggle them out if they might have got a little tired as we did that open heart stretch. Then we're going to do it one more time just to feel that really deep, really good upper body stretch before we go on with our day. So remember, make sure you're in that seated mountain. Then just take your arms, hold on to that seat. As you inhale, roll your shoulders back, bringing your heart open, your eyes to the sky. I like to close my eyes and imagine sending love and peace and kindness out to all of you. And also, as I inhale, imagine receiving that love and kindness in return. Breathing it in. Breathing that love, kindness, and peace out. Few more of those breaths here. Good. If your eyes are closed, you may begin to open them now. I hope you enjoyed that quick seated mindful moment as we opened our heart both figuratively and literally as we stretched our body and we also sent love and kindness out to one another. Make sure you continue to send love, peace, and kindness out to those around you today and every day. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.